I'm going to be doing another food unboxing. This one I don't think I've ever uploaded on my channel. You're probably used to me doing the one that's international, that comes from a different country every month. So this one is actually called Munch Addict. And they have on their website that they're like the top subscription box of, I guess, snack boxes. So I've opened a few of them in the past, but I don't think any were ever uploaded. So anyways, I want to give you guys a chance to check it out for yourself. I usually like the snacks that come in it. They seem to be kind of diverse, so you'll have some that are you know, from the U.S. or it could be Mexican candy. There's just all different stuff in there. So we seem to enjoy it. But yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll get into the box and you'll see what I mean. But it's not as like crazy as the international one I do, where you can't even like understand what the packaging says. Like this one you usually can. So there's two different sizes that you can get. One is the standard size, and that is 5 full-size snacks, and that is $13.95, and this is a monthly subscription, so keep that in mind. And then the other option, which I receive, is the premium box, and the premium box comes with 10 full-size snacks, and that is $23.95 a month. Okay, so I'm going to be opening this up. This is what it looks like. So it's a pretty nice sized box. Forgot to cut it open. And these are the items that come inside of it. So the first thing I see here, obviously everybody's familiar with Rice Krispie treats. But this one is caramel chocolatey chunk. Okay. This one is by a company called Dorval. And they're Sour Power straws. And let's see, it says they're original since 1985. I remember eating these when I was a kid, but I think they were called like Sour Punch or something. But this is strawberry flavored. It says they're fat-free candy straws, artificially flavored, and that's what they look like. So yeah, these are sour. I think I used to like, there was like a blueberry or raspberry one or something like that. Or blue raspberry. I can't remember. I just remember it was blue. Okay, this one says that it comes from Japan, and so this is what they'll do. Like if it's another country, they'll put a label on there for you. So it says Hokkaido caramel butter. And let's see. Let me take this off and see if I can see the picture. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. If you see the little guy swinging the baseball bat, and I guess he's supposed to be what the bar looks like. So I guess it's supposed to look like butter, but it tastes like caramel. So anyway, so I'm going to have my kids try all these in a little bit. They just got through eating dinner, so they're not ready to eat at the moment. So I just wanted to film this, get this out of the way, give you an idea of what this subscription box looks like, and see if it's something that you'd be interested in purchasing and maybe trying with your family. So I always like the snacks. They're always really good. So this is a good Mexican snack. So this is called Tijuana Fried Corn Sticks Churros de la Tijuana. So they're little, I don't know, y'all probably had churros before, but they're like a Mexican pastry that's fried, and it has, I think, butter, but it's cinnamon and sugar. They're like super good. So this is just like a little stick version of it instead of the thicker churro. So anyway, I'm pretty sure they're gonna love these. This one looks like it's been through hell. It's, see, a little melted and then came back together. But that's probably my fault. Somehow we probably left it on the front porch, not sure. But anyway, This is Hershey's, and I saw these in the store recently, so I was kind of curious about them. So that's cool, we got some. So this is Hershey's Reese's Pieces. So, and they give us the king size version. So what it is, it's just a Hershey's bar, and then if you remember Reese's Pieces, which I freaking love, it has those all throughout the candy bar. So that's gonna be delicious. Let's see. Oh, I love these. Okay, so we got this one. So this is Demet's Turtles, the original caramel nut cluster. And it is original pecan milk chocolate with creamy caramel and premium pecans. I love, like, this is probably one of my favorite, like, if I was to eat, I guess, fancier chocolates, I love turtles, so those are really good. Jalen's probably not going to like these because he hates nuts, but I love them. Okay. Then we got this guy. So this is Now and Later Extreme Sour Mixed Fruit Chews. And I've had the regular Now and Laters. I haven't had the Extreme Sour. Let's see if it tells us the flavors. See, like even the back of this one has like the sticker and lets you know that it's from USA. I don't see it. Oh, here we go. It's apple, watermelon, and cherry flavored. So those sound really good. This looks interesting. This one is from Japan. So there's the sticker again, just tells you where it's from. So it's like a snack cracker. It says cheesa, so I guess it's just cheese crackers. Says glyco or glico cheesa camembert or something like that. And I'm not really sure what you're supposed to do with this, but the picture for some reason shows, I don't know if they're putting it in like a microwave or like some type of like convectional oven and bake, I don't know. Anyway. So that's interesting. If I could read those directions, I'd probably know what the hell that says, but I don't. That's interesting. But it just feels like crackers, so I'm sure you just can eat them. Okay, then we got this guy. This is from Taiwan. I like the other countries' packaging. They're like really freaking cute. So this is GGE wheat crackers, and they're soy sauce flavored crackers. And they look like really weird. It kind of looks like a ribbon version of peanut butter to me, but apparently it's a wheat cracker, so I don't know. I have a feeling that would be good because I like soy sauce, but never know. And then lastly, this strange packaged item. Where's this from? This is from Japan. So it says Glyco Giant Calpico Cone Strawberry. So this is what it looks like. So I guess it's a cone. Looks like a cake in the center and some type of strawberry outside. So anyway, this is why we enjoy it, because it has like, instead of like the other box we enjoy because it's just different, and it's kind of like a challenge or a dare, because it's like, okay, these are shrimp flavored crackers, like what is that gonna be? Or I don't know, just stuff that's like out of the ordinary, whereas these are more like stuff that sounds more delicious. So I think that's why we like this one so much. But anyways, let me know in the comments below, like if this is something you'd be interested in, or if you already get this subscription, what you think of it. And I will leave the link for you if you're interested in signing up, so you can give it a try. Even if you want to start off with like the smaller box, which is the 5 snacks, I think it's worth it. So far, everything's been pretty tasty. I has the cool stuff I've never seen, but it also has items you have seen before. So, I don't know. I think it's a good balance. But even the Rice Krispie treats, instead of the plain, you ended up with like the caramel chocolatey chunk. Just, it's always a touch of something a little bit different. The Now and Laters I've seen, but then these were extreme sour, which I've never had. So this was probably the weirdest thing that was in there. So I'm kind of curious. I'll have to ask the kids what they thought of this weird thing with the baseball bat. But anyway, okay, hope you enjoyed the video. That is all, and I'll be moving on to the next topic, which is Ipsy, so stay tuned. And don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina, and love you guys. Have a good night.